Hello scholars, I hope everybody is very fine and everybody must have started writing in your books. Last time we discussed about the workbook exercises of chapter number 1, My Body. I hope everybody must have finished writing it. Today we will discuss and move forward with the workbook exercises of the next chapter, chapter number 2, My Family, and you will be able to understand each and every worksheet very well. Try to understand that and complete your work. Let's start. Let's start with the first worksheet of My Family. What, according to you, is a family? This is a question given on your first page, first worksheet of My Family. So, what do you think is a family? Yes, it is a group of people who are related to each other. They are connected to each other and they live together in one house. Is said to be a family. Let's move with the next question in our worksheet 1. The question says, have you seen families that are different from yours? You may be living in a nuclear family, whereas there must be families living in joint family. There must be few people living in single parent family. So are all the families same or are they different? And if yes, if they are different from yours, then you need to write down that how are they different from yours. Now, I will be giving you one example here. For example, first think of what type of family you live in. Maybe you live in a nuclear family. So you will write down, I live in a nuclear family. It can be a nuclear, it can be a joint family, anything. Then think of your best friend. Everybody likes to be with your best friend. So now think what type of family your best friend lives in. Maybe you live in a nuclear family, whereas your best friend lives in a joint family, a very big family. Then you need to write down the points of difference. So you can write, I live in a nuclear family, but my best friend lives in a joint family. We are only 4 members in the family, but my friend has 14 members in the family. This way, you can write down the points of difference. Now, the next exercise is a picture given in your work. And the exercise says, read the paragraph given below and answer the questions that follow. So now, you are going to try to understand this paragraph and then answer the questions. I will read the paragraph and explain for you. Manav is 50 years old. He is Manav who is 50 years old. He lives with his family in New Delhi. So the whole family lives in New Delhi. He is a doctor. He has a wife. Her name is Antara. So Manav has a wife called Antara. She is a teacher. Manav has a daughter. Her name is Ankita. So Manav has a daughter whose name is Ankita. She is an engineer. Ankita is an engineer. Manav also has a son, Rahul. So you can see that Manav has a son also whose name is Rahul. Rahul goes to college. He is studying in college. Manav's brother also lives in the same house with his family. So this is Manav, this is Manav's brother. That means they live in a joint family. His name is Shyam. Brother's name is Shyam. Shyam has two sons. Now Shyam has got two sons here. One of them wants to be a doctor like his uncle. Next week, all of them are going to Shimla. So everybody is going to planning a picnic for going to Shimla. Let's move further with the next exercise. The next exercise says, complete the names of the family members by filling the correct letters and write any two words to describe each of them. I will give you one example here. The example is, suppose the letter is given like this. You have to fill in the missing letters and complete the word. Okay, so this word is mother. Now, you need to write down two words to describe mother. So how is mother? Mother is always loving, and you find all mothers very hardworking. So these are the two qualities of mother, okay, which are describing mother. This way, you have to continue with all the words. The next exercise is, what do you call the following relatives in your mother tongue? Now, mother tongue is the language which you speak in your house. It can be Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, whichever language you feel comfortable with. I will be giving you few examples in Hindi language, okay? As you are studying Hindi in school also, right? So now, mother. We say mother in English, but what do we call mother in Hindi? Amma. Then father. What do we call father in Hindi? Papa. Father's sister, Bua. Mother's mother, Nani.
So children, once you finish writing these exercises in your workbook, now we will move forward with the next lesson, a new lesson. So I hope before we start with the new lesson, you complete all your tasks of chapter 1 and 2 so that you are ready for the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.